In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn on incognito mode on YouTube mobile. You can simply enable incognito mode on YouTube using your phone in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your YouTube. On your home page, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. On this page, you will then slide to the very end towards your right-hand side. Select Turn on Incognito. You will automatically get to Incognito. In Incognito, none of your browsing history, cookies and site data, or information entered in forms are saved on your device. This means your activity doesn't show up in your YouTube history, so people who also use your device won't see your day-to-day activity if incognito mode is activated. That's how easy it is to enable incognito mode on YouTube mobile. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.